Methinks it's about to storm. Angry looking clouds. Oh, just there was lightning that maybe you did or didn't see. Darker over here. But also the trees in the way. Hear the thunder? Probably not. Let's go back. It's been storming a lot. Tornado watch. Until, I don't know, 4 o'clock or something. You can see how quickly the clouds are even moving. But it's really still down here. It's weird. But the rain's about to begin. And since I'm not particularly interested in getting wet, or getting struck by lightning for that matter, I'm probably going to stop here and go in.